Hey guys, it's Aaron Tracy here with Travel Bus.
Hi there.
Today we are waking up in beautiful St. Maarten.
St. Maarten.
A
Yep.
breezy day, but nonetheless still beautiful.
Yep, we were on the Celebrity Beyond.
Yeah.
And this is an excursion that we got through the Celebrity Beyond. And it is the Orient Beach experience and lunch. So we bought it through the cruise ship. They took us on a very fancy, luxurious bus with a guide. We got to the little resort place, and we'll show you what that looks like. You get 2 complimentary drinks, which is this little rum punch, which is really juice with maybe a half of a shot of rum. You only get 2, this being one, and then you get lunch. And then a ride back to the port.
Yeah.
So that's the excursion.
So for right now,
It's a very windy day.
yeah, we just got here. I'm gonna show you around, see what we're showing, see what we're seeing.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's just really windy. So hopefully you can hear us. So I'm gonna show you. All right, so this is what we are seeing. Like Christy said, this is Orient Beach. On the French side.
Yeah, we're on the French side. And the ship is docked on the Dutch side.
Yeah, the ship is docked on the Dutch side.
And supposedly this is one of the most top 10 beaches in the world, I guess. Or, yeah.
So this is good. Close to the beach. And this is kind of the area that we're sitting in.
You can get a massage.
It has a massage and then our little restaurant back there.
Yeah,
And
back
then,
over there.
yeah.
We'll show you that
And,
later.
Houses are actually nicer than I thought they'd be.
So this is kind of a private resort though, so I think that these are probably either wealthy people who buy their houses here or Airbnbs or something like that. I think they're for tourists. That's beautiful there. Those condos.
So up there, there's Chase is talking about. They got a tractor that comes here and here and smooths out the beach.
Yeah, there's a lot of seaweed. This is that huge seaweed thing that's going throughout.
I'll show you what Tracy's talking about. Seaweed right here. Actually, I think all things considered, the seaweed's not that bad, but it could be worse. But it's nice to see well, it's pretty windy out, but there's a few watercraft out. I want to say there was like a windsurfer out here earlier.
Yeah, there was.
Or it's hard to see, but there's a parasailing. But yeah, I mean, I wish it wasn't as breezy, but we'll still have fun out here.
Yeah, we're in St. Maarten. It's not cold.
Not even remotely.
Yeah. But it's not hot either. It's not humid. It's not hot. It's very nice. The wind is a little rough.
Yeah. I think we're just gonna kind of sit back, enjoy a little bit, probably go in the water. Or we can walk a little bit. Alright. So yeah, I guess it's just more excursions here. Coming with all these empty chairs. Yeah. Oh yeah, those beach chairs, they keep on going. They say that there's a lot of vendors that come through here. They're pretty persistent.
Actually, she said that they were
turn your head away from them.
Yeah.
But don't keep looking at them. And just...
Right. And then for the massages, if they touch you, then they'll start charging you. So don't let them touch you unless you really want a massage.
It's I can go at you now. Woo. No. I mean, a little bit, not. I mean.
I'm sure it'll be easy to get used to.
Yeah. It has some like jumpy things out there. Dive into the water. I don't think I would. Oh, there's a little jump thing over there that.
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
You can catapult yourself.
Yeah.
Like,
Kids, that's for the kids.
Yeah.
And Josh. Josh would probably do that. But he's a giant kid.
This is nice.
Fancy houses over there.
Yeah.
Probably vacation rental homes.
Yeah. Very cabana-esque type. Not cabanas, but they're that style. Oh yeah. Yeah. It just once you get used to it. It's... Is it usually that way?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So.
It's not a floaty day though. I did bring my floaty because I love to float. We all know that. But it's not going to happen today because I'll end up, I don't even know where. I'd be like Castaway. I end up on a deserted island.
That
no
is.
floaties today.
That's what's cool about St. Maarten. I forgot about that. Is they're so close to the islands, other islands.
Yes.
I don't know the names of them.
Well, I don't know if those are even inhabited islands. I think they're just islands.
Still cool. I think we're close to Dominica.
Yes.
You know somebody.
Oh yeah, Alex. She's from Dominica.
So
My good friend Alex.
Tracy's co-worker. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, we're going to enjoy a little bit more and I'll show you some more here in just a bit.
And we'll show you lunch.
And then I'll also show you lunch. I can't wait for that. Hit it right there. Parachute. Alright guys, so now it's getting close to lunchtime and we're going to show you that in just a sec, but we just saw some wild donkeys, so I'm going to try to see how close I can get and show you those.
Just some wild donkeys right now. Nope, me neither.
Well,
Having some grass.
it's kind of grazing. Alright, so yeah, like I said, it's so yeah, it's getting kind of close to our lunchtime now. I guess we'll head over there, see if they're serving yet, and then we'll kind of show you what they're serving. Alright, so now we're at the seating area. upstairs. Very nice. Alright, so they brought us our food and it looks pretty good. I had the ribs and Tracy ordered the fish, and I'll show it to you. Yeah, these are the ribs. Not
They
exactly,
look really good.
yeah, I'm not exactly sure how they're seasoned. I'll tell you that here after I'm done.
My fish is very good. It's it's very good.
Alright, so everything's come, and we're gonna sit back and enjoy the food, and then we'll tell you how it was afterwards. Alright guys, so we finished up the lunch, and then that was actually pretty good, I thought.
It was very good.
Yeah, your fish was pretty good.
Yeah, and the beans and rice was very good as well.
Yeah, and then of course I had the ribs. There's a lot more ribs than I thought.
Yeah, they were good.
Yeah, and then he made a potato with it's like a sour cream chive, I believe. It was good. No complaints with the food there.
No?
So yeah, afterwards we just kind of hung out a little bit longer. It was like another, what, 45 minutes, and then the bus came, and we're now back in the port. And we'll probably just do a little bit more shopping.
Yeah, gotta get some souvenirs for our people.
For our peeps.
Yeah, for the cat sitter and kiddos. I always bring gifts back to my girls, even though they're grown.
Yeah.